Hello everyone, my name is Nataniel sasmtio Adhi Jeremia. So this is a video tutorial explaining about how to find the measures of tendency like mean, median, and mode, and finding measures of spread, range, interquartile range, variance, standard deviation, and lastly, we will be making a polygon. Now I'm going to input the score, but I'll speed this process up for you guys. First thing that we're going to do is find the frequency by typing count if range. We have to select the range, the score, every score, and then we have to use the $sign so that it doesn't go anywhere if we drag it below us. And for the criteria, just select the score. After this, we can use sum to find the total of the frequency. Now we're going to find the x times f. We can just select the score, you can use the star to times it for the frequency, then we just drag it down. We'll do the same thing for as the frequency. We have to use sum and then drag all the scores, then enter to get the total of the frequency and the score. For the mean, we can just use total of the score divided by the total of frequency. For the median is instant, just type median and then select all of the raw scores. And for the mode, we can just see that the frequency, the most one with the frequency is 12, is 132. Moving on, we will be finding the x minus mean. We can just use the score minus mean, the current mean that we already counted. And don't forget to put the $sign if you want to drag it down, because then the mean wouldn't be going anywhere. Next, we will be counting x minus mean square. Just select the square and then minus the x mean that we just get. Next, we'll be finding f times x mean square. Just use f, the frequency, and then times it with the x mean square. Now we will be moving on to the measures of spread. First, maximum, and then maximum we can just type max and then select the score. For the minimum, you can just use minimum, min, with another score. Then to find the range, just use maximum minus minimum. For this case, the maximum is 174, minimum is 118. So we'll be moving on to find the quartile one. Just use 1 divided by 4 times the frequency plus 1. same, but we use 1 divided by 2 times the frequency plus 1. Lastly, for the quartile 3, use 3 divided by 4 times frequency plus 1. For the interquartile, use the formula of key 3 or quartile 3 minus key 1. For the variance, you just have to sum the f times x mean square and then divide it by the frequency minus 1. With standard deviation, just use square root of the variance. To find the polygon or the chart, just combine it with the score or block it with the score and frequency. Well, that's all that I can teach you guys. I hope this is a good thing or you can learn a thing or two from this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.